Apple may have dropped built-in noise cancellation on the iPhone 13. That's weird. It's been a long-running accessibility feature on past iPhones. So we're talking about noise cancellation accessibility designed to reduce ambient noise on phone calls when you are holding the receiver to your ear. That's a cool feature that I didn't even know was in there. Phone noise cancellation is not available on iPhone 13 models, which is why you do not see this option in the accessibility settings. Apple support told one of 9 to 5 Max readers. When the reader asked for clarification, the support team confirmed that the feature is not supported. These questions initially came up on Reddit after the device went on sale, and readers noticed that it was no longer available on the accessibility page. Interesting. So it was using the camera microphone to detect and remove ambient noise. It seems like a feature you would want, but the fact that it wasn't really advertised or talked about as a feature.
And it seems like a feature that a lot of people would like to use, like automatically.
Yeah. Why wouldn't you publicize this? Why would you bury it in accessibility? Why would it only be...
Yeah.
Why wouldn't it be a thing that most people want to use? Maybe there is some kind of downside. I know when it comes to noise cancellation around, with other devices, it may increase battery consumption. Mm-hmm. So maybe there was a consideration there that if everyone was using it all the time, then but either way, it'd be nice to have the option. Mm-hmm. I presume they were able to, I don't know, maybe save some money by not implementing it. Apple has yet to confirm officially that the feature has been permanently removed. So far, the only word about it has come indirectly from Apple support. So, is it a hardware thing or a software thing? And will it ever come back?
It is interesting because I haven't used the previous iPhones, but I'm using the 13, and it doesn't seem like there's any hitches with volume or clarity.
Yeah, I think you would have to be in a scenario with maybe some wind going on,
maybe,
and stuff like that. Because this is not affecting. This is not affecting what you're saying. What you're hearing. It's what you're saying, or is it what you're saying and hearing both?
I think it's for the other side hearing.
That's it?
I think so.
So it's on just strictly on the microphone, not necessarily what you're having coming back at you. Mm-hmm. Apple's AirPod noise canceling earphones. Well, you can definitely buy the earphones from them. They'll sell you those.
Yeah. We should do a test or something.
Get an old iPhone and attempt to blow a fan at it or something. Mm-hmm. I don't mind that.
Just get a fan.
Yeah, I think wind is the main one, but I guess there's all other types of rumbles and such you may be competing with.